Hey members of the Discord room, the mentor room, good morning to all of you. So as usual, I'm going to be reporting my daily open positions. Remember that this week, cryptos is all the rage to me. It does look like alts are going to be making a move, and we've already seen that in several crypto projects. Now, one trade that I'm currently on, actually I've been filled in two different positions. One is in Sushi and the second one is in Algo. So I've marked these two trades, Sushi, and let me just place Algo right there. And I also got two other positions with limit orders, but I am unfortunately not yet filled. Now, these are positions that can be checked through my trade management software, that is 3 You can see here Ivan Delgado at Gmail, and this is the current position that I'm holding. I'm up almost $2,000 or 8.26% in Sushi, Algo, just around the break-even point, and two positions where I am yet to see the orders being filled. Now, let me go through the logic in Sushi. I gotta say that a number of these trades look rather identical in the setup. And so this is a setup which, if you actually study the work from William O'Neill on this, he is a stock market wizard, and also the work of others that have been, I have to say, I'm not going to be mentioning them all, but very influential to the way that I'm trading breakout patterns. This is what is often referred to as a cap and handle. And what this cap and handle really communicates is effort by sellers to keep pushing lower to discover further ground lower. This liquidity and this sell side pressure eventually exhausting, turning back up, and this handle is the key. This is the volatility compression phase. Now, remember that markets are going to go through periods of both volatility compression and volatility expansion. This is the BBW, and you can clearly see here the peaks, the troughs, the peaks, the troughs, the peaks. We had a trough, very deep one, and now I'm expecting that the market is going to go through a phase of increased volatility. So when would it be smarter to get into exposure in the market? Whenever volatility is the lowest or when volatility is the highest? If you thought about the former, you'd be right. Why is that? Because we allow ourselves to tighten out our stop loss and then aim for those very appealing risk rewards. So let me walk you through what just happened in Sushi, which is one of the top 100 alts versus BTC. Remember, we want to be stacking more BTCs in our account. If history is any indication, you would be way better off stacking BTC as opposed to US dollar as a unit of account in your trading. So what have we seen in here? Well, we've seen what I just told you, a cap and handle and a breakout, an ultimate breakout with this candle accepting beyond this very well-defined line of resistance, 1, 2, 3 tests, and eventually this is the candle that speaks volumes and manifesting out the intentions of the market. So no wonder that we are seeing this explosion of volatility to the upside and bullish momentum, because there has been a lot of interest behind this candle. Notice that volume has been picking up well above the average, and that's really what we want to see to get engaged in a high quality setup. Now, in terms of the stop loss placement, there is a whole different there's a number of tactics that we can go through, being more aggressive or less aggressive, more conservative. But in my case, I'm placing a stop loss of about 9.5%, right below the POC. And I'll be aiming for this as a line where I'll be taking some partial chunks if it gets rich. And then ultimately, I think that this market, considering that BTC is going nowhere fast and there's an interest for the market to start diversifying away from BTC and putting capital to work elsewhere. And gotta say that Sushi is one of the projects that has the best fundamentals, or very good fundamentals. I gotta say, like the revenue in the last 30 days, it's pretty good. I only got 30 seconds to run this video. Let's see if I can actually get this information out of the way. So you will see that there is a Sushi swap. So it's like the fifth project in terms of highest revenue. So fundamentals are really on our side. So there you have it. This is a typical breakout trade, one that we actually get to trade in the room quite regularly. And I created watch lists and members are trading with me this type of setups. As I said, up almost 2,000 or 8% so far. Cheers. Hey traders, Ivan from Breakout Prime here. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below, and remember, subscribe, click the bell button to get notified of the next update, and whenever you're ready to join in my mentor room, be sure to head over to my Discord mentor room. The link is down below in the description box, where I'll do my best to take your trading to the next level. I'll see you in the next update.